For me, the power of water is so powerful. You know, I never knew that I'd be doing it for a living. I like working on big things. I mean, it's definitely a challenge. Any of us can walk in and immediately tell by hearing or by smell or by sight there's an issue. We check for oil leaks, water leaks, just different noises and smells. And everything is big, everything's huge. The generators, because they constantly spin all the time. One person really can't do it all by themselves. And I got a really good team. We all take pride in what we do, serving Central Texas. You know, LCRA is a great place to be, and I like my responsibility in working in the hydro. We do big things. My name is Bernard Collins, and I'm a senior mechanic here at Mansfield Dam, and this is my office.